Really, Sharida? Oh my God. You might as well be in Chanel's boutique. I apologize if I look super bright, but this is an impromptu video. You guys, I just got this. I've been waiting on this all day long, all day. It is now 6:30, and I tell you, UPS come on time any other day, but the day I'm waiting on this to arrive, they come 3 hours later. Right now, I'm holding my second perfume from Navitus Parfums, and I'm new to the perfume game as far as niche perfumes, and so I discovered Sharida. I discovered you probably a couple of months ago, and when you described the notes, you described a vanilla lover like me. I remember I used to buy warm vanilla sugar, I think from Bath and Body Works a long time ago, and I loved that scent. And I haven't bought it like in the recent years, but I remember I loved that. So I ain't gonna hold y'all long. We gonna open this up, and one thing I feel like I don't remember, but the first Navitus perfume I got is from AI the Great, Imperial. The first one with the banana scent, that's the first one I got. I don't know if I remember if it had the plastic packaging, but I love the luxury feel. You paying for the experience, okay? Because if you have not bought a Navitus perfumes before, girl, listen, you might as well be in Chanel's boutique. That's how it feels. So I love it. Let's open it real quick, and then let's go for the whole experience. So here's the box. Look at girl. Oh my Lord. Oh God. Oh, I love that. Can y'all see that? Can you see that? Don't look at me, look at the box. Can you see that? Oh my goodness, I cannot. I'm excited. This is so cute. Look at that insert. Like, that's worth the coins, you know, that's worth all $206, I think, for sure. And we open it up, and hello, hello, how are you? We got that. What an experience. Okay. And then once you take that off, it's a whole mood. Here it is. This component, I kept my last one from AI the Great's collab because this is just too nice to throw away. And look at that. Look at this. Oh. Oh my God. Look at, I gotta get this video again in better lighting, but look at that. Look at the presentation. It's the bottle for me. It's the bottle for me. Oh my goodness. If you don't know, these perfumes come with the notes, and it says sumptuous. I think it might supposed to say scrumptious, but say sumptuous, delectable, addictive top notes, bergamot, vanilla ice cream, cashmere, the heart notes, brown sugar, toffee. Really, Sharida, toffee. And amberwood, base notes, vanilla caviar, crystal musk, and Peruvian white amber. Just sounds so fancy, right? So open her up and let's see. Ooh, wow. First of all, I love, and it got condensation in this. My bottle is freezing. But let me wipe this off because it's cold. But listen, oh my God. Look at, I'm trying to get the light, and I apologize, but it's not doing it. But look, do you see that detail? Look at that. Oh my, wow, this is beautiful. Oh wow, this is beautiful. It's ombre, if you can see that, in the same gold top. So I love how she did not go with the same exact bottle, because I'm assuming Navitus don't give you a lot of free will, but it's just that she put thought into this. So now let's smell it, because I am nervous and excited. I got perfume on already, but let's smell it. Okay. I don't smell nothing yet. All right, I don't smell nothing yet. Okay. I'm nervous. Let it wait. Okay, I smell the sweet. Let me get the note card. I smell what I believe is the ice cream. I think. I smell the ice cream. Oh my goodness. I smell I think it's brown sugar or toffee. I smell one of those, but that is very different. It's sweet, but not like, oh wow. It's like an apple pie or it's like not apple. It's vanilla. But it's like, oh my God. It's like when you walk past Aunt Annie's or Cinnabon, but not over the top. Let me make sure I make that clear. Wow. I have nothing that smells like this. Nothing. Wait, I gotta wait. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait. I gotta make sure I am smelling this right. Cause I have never smelled anything like this. Oh wow. Oh, that smells good. I hope that this is not limited edition. Do y'all know if the collabs are limited? This is so different. Wow. I smell like a dessert. You like vanilla, and if you like sweet, but like not overly sweet, but it's like a sexy sweet, you know? Definitely try to get your hands on this, because I hope they don't sell out of this like forever. Sharida girl, I knew when you described the notes, I just knew you was talking to me. So thank you for making this beautiful concoction. It's beautiful, and I just cannot wait to see, girl, how it layers with other things. I can't wait to wear it actually, you know, and actually see what my husband think about it. So with that, this is Mahni Cassonade. I mean, she cute. I mean, the name is cute. Mahni Cassonade, and I love it. And this box, don't throw it away, y'all. When y'all get these, don't throw them away. That's the casket for the bottle. If you want more perfume reviews, because I am buying more niche products. I got another one I just bought the other day, and I'm buying some more. Let me know, comment, and let me know. And other than that, be sure to follow me. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, I'm on TikTok, all the good stuff. But most importantly, like this video and comment if you got the fragrance, if you like it, if you love it, if you hate it, and if you want more of it, okay? With that, I'll see you next video. Bye, guys.